Been a major month for my portfolio. As you can see here, I'm up 14.56% and at a profit of $2,891, which is very substantial given the amount I've actually invested is under 20,000. So these are really good returns. It is great to be invested in this. And across the time period, I actually only got $55 in dividends in February, which is lower than I usually get. Reason being, I sold some of my higher dividend paying stocks like AT&T and Verizon to try and go for some higher growth elements, which has turned out to be correct. So we are currently on the 11th of March. I'm a bit behind on this, but I've already accumulated $35.59 in dividends so far this month. I'm envisaging this is going to be over $100, probably the biggest month ever. But let's have a look at the portfolio and see what's been driving most of my gains. So if we filter by profit and loss percentage, we can see JP Morgan is currently my best performing stock. It's up 59.53%. IBM has been on a tear. It's up 49.55%. ExxonMobil up 38.21%. These two have just paid me dividends as of today. One Oak, 33.82%. Oracle again, 33.85% with earnings upcoming. I could see this soaring again. Kilroy Realty has gone up 27.27%. Microsoft up 24%. Bitcoin is the most recent addition to my portfolio. I've followed Bitcoin for quite some time. I'm not an absolute Bitcoin absolutist. I'm not certain that some of the things that are said about it are 100% true. I think it definitely has a place in the world. But with the approval of the Bitcoin ETFs, I don't see any world in which the price of this doesn't go up pretty substantially. And I don't think we're going to see the same level of fluctuation. So Bitcoin's up 18.93% there. I only purchased it about a month and a half ago, maybe not even, and it is making substantial profits. I'm going to continue to add it in my portfolio. I think it would be stupid not to. We'll see where it goes, but I think it's only up from there. Alongside Bitcoin's rise has been BlackRock. So BlackRock offer the largest Bitcoin spot ETF. That price has been surging. Same thing. I think it's going to continue to rise. BlackRock now hold the most Bitcoin of anyone in the world. If the price continues to go up, BlackRock is going to go up and they play quite a healthy dividend as well. So that's all good. Edison Consolidated up 12.24%. Apple up 11.89%. Hasn't been doing so well since its goggles. Don't understand the goggles. Don't think they're great. Hoping Apple come up with some other things in the field in AI very soon. The S&P 500 is up 11.67%. Even though it's not a fair reflection, my portfolio is up slightly better. So if nothing else, I'm going to tell myself I beat the market at least once. But the aim of this portfolio is to continue to invest for growth. I'm going to add the S&P 500. I see stories like Nvidia soaring. I don't know enough about computer chips, even working in the computer industry, to know what's going to happen there. So I'm going to try and gain from them sort of stories by using the S&P 500 rather than risking a lot of my money for plays I don't fully understand. AGNC is up 10%. It's a monthly pair. It's a recent addition. I'm hoping it'll boost my dividends as we go through. I'm starting to add it to my ISA portfolio as well. T Rowe up 4.26%. Ares Capital Corporation up 4% nearly. Again, 10% dividend payer. Lovely to have it in. Visa up 1.57%. Altria down 5.2%. However, the dividend's about 9.5% and it's been paying me consistently. So I'm still up on the position. QYLD down 6.6%. It is my favorite stock in my portfolio. People don't like it, but it has generated me hundreds of dollars in monthly income. Again, another thing I'll be adding to my ISA just to keep the progress going. Realty income's been suffering. It's down 10%. Again, pays monthly. Going to continue to add to this one. I think when the interest rates start coming down, we'll see an improvement in realty income. And Gazprom is still sanctioned, so I cannot do anything about that. But the portfolio is starting to work as I would like. We've got $35 in dividends paid so far this month. We're nearly 3,000 in the green. I think it's going to be a good year. I think stuff's going to continue to move in my favor. Going to stay disciplined and keep investing. As always, If you think that this portfolio is something that you like to get involved in, feel free to copy me an eToro. I do regular posts here and there to keep you updated. Plan for this year is to start looking at some tech stocks and probably Bitcoin, if I'm honest, to drive growth while also adding some dividend payers for that income monthly. I like income coming in so that I can buy more growth. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope the update was useful. If there's any questions, please like it, add them to the comments down below. And of course, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It makes a big difference to the algorithm.